Again with yet another important use case tutorial video. In this tutorial video, we will be diving into exciting world of NFTs and showing you how you can build your very own NFT ticket booking Dapp using our powerful open source Express Protocol SDK. So whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this video will take you step by step through the process of creating your own unique and functional NFT ticket booking Dapp. So grab your laptops and get ready to learn, create, and innovate with us. So also, if you have still not gone through our previous use case tutorial videos, please go check them out. So the links are in the description. So let's move forward with the developing NFT ticket booking Dapp at a zero development cost. In the documentation under SDK use cases, you can find NFT ticket booking Dapp documentation. So using Express Protocol SDK, any NFT maker or celebrity performer or event organizer can mint and list their NFT directly on Ethereum. In simple words, celebrities, event organizers, and NFT creators can mint their own NFTs and can drop them whenever they want. These NFTs can be later traded by using Express Protocol SDK. So you need to connect your wallet. So make sure you have MetaMask wallet installed in your laptop. And all right, without any further ado, let's get started with the creating of the Dapp. So as you guys already know, these are the prerequisites for the building of the project. These are required for us to start the project. And then after this, the next step, the first step, we will start by creating an empty folder and opening it in our favorite reader. We are using VS Code right now, and we'll use partial for bundling the JavaScript code. So I've made an empty VS Code folder called name ticket booking Dapp. And after this, what exactly we need to do is we need to open the terminal and install all the required dependencies which we have given in the doc. So open the terminal and go to the documentation where you can see the second step will be to install all this npm commands that we have listed here. So after running these all commands in the terminal, you'll end up having a node modules folder like this. So after that, after installing all these things, we need to have a basic front end for us to interact with the SDK. So that's why we need to make an index.html file and paste the following code which is provided in the documentation. So I've created an index.html file here. So in the documentation, we have given this code where you will see, we'll run it in the live server and see how it will look like. So copy this code and like paste it in index.html file. After creating an index.html file, you will paste this code inside this. And after doing that, we'll run this in live server and check how it will look like. So this is how the basic front end that we have created. So like for the ticket booking, we are creating collection, minting, and selling. So let's just close this for now and close the live server here. Now that the front end is ready for us, we need to integrate it with the SDK. For that, we need to create a main.js file in our project. So this is the main.js file that I have created, and after doing that, we need to import SDK functions into our Dapp and make connections with the blockchain using the MetaMask or your favorite any wallet, like, or your favorite wallet. So so the fourth step would be having like copy pasting the code that we have provided here. So the first, I did everything, just copy pasted everything here. So the first step that we did is like connecting the MetaMask wallet to our Dapp. This piece of code will do that. And after doing that, we'll install all the required functions. We'll define all the functions here step by step. So for our DApp, ticket booking DApp, we need this function called create collection. Obviously, we need to create a private collection for each and every event. So for that, I have copied this piece of code from the documentation under protocol and SDK functions, where you will find you will have to say things like ERC 721, ERC 1155. You need to choose one of these and like choose what you want, like create a collection. So open this and copy that code in your main.js file like this. So like this we are we are exposing this, we are defining NFT mint collection also. So minting in collection, this function, and selling in collection, these functions we have defined in our DApp. So after this we have created a JavaScript DOM for interacting this DApp with the front end. So we have assigned all the names and then we are giving all the names in the front end so that this whole app will work properly. So after doing the main.js file, you have came to an end with the building part. So we need to run our DApp by using code partial.index.html code in the terminal, which we have provided in the documentation like this. At the end, the fifth step would be now run this parcel index.html code, where you just need to paste this npx and paste this code where we will run this app in the local server, the local host. Click on the link and you can see the app which is built, which is already built, and like the front end that we have created, and it is interacting with the blockchain. Where to check that, we need to open the console. In the console you can see it is not so we need to connect to the wallet first. The pop-up will come, and then after connecting to the wallet you can see in the console that it is connected, the wallet is connected to the DApp. So now that it is connected to the DApp, we'll go and create a collection. Let's name it as some description and keep probabilities of 1 or 2 and start creating a collection, and it will interact with the blockchain. You'll get a transaction for in the MetaMask and pop-up will come, and then after the transaction complete, you will see a message in the console where you'll get a collection address, where you can use that collection address to mint NFTs in here. So now that you got this collection, this transaction, under the events you can search for ERC 1155, ERC deploy 1155 deploy, and return values. Token address is the address, collection address that you have right now. So when you copy this and paste it under this address, and like you can name some token ID like 32, or token URI like something you can give it of your, and you can mint like 100 tickets for your events, and click on mint. After clicking on mint, it will the transaction pop up. After confirming it, again you'll see the pop up in transaction, confirm transaction in the console. And by clicking, if you check that transaction address in Polygon scan, you can check that our transaction, like we successfully minted the NFTs onto the collection. Under transcript, return values from address to address, this you can copy paste this to address and see Polygon Mumbai. Okay, so it's internet connection. So So definitely you can see these things in the Polygon scan. So you'll get the transaction. You'll see that stuff like the whole thing. The transaction, you can see it in that. So that's it. So you have just created a collection and minted it successfully and sold it. So clap your back, because you did all these things in within a matter of minutes, within this video. And to use more functionalities and numerous other like this by creating a collection or timed auction or bidding, etc. in your app, check out Express Protocol SDK, which gives you a plug and play components for your front end. Thank you.